Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Are you wondering how to unpin a chat from the pinned one? Well, don't worry. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unpin a chat in TikTok. So watch this video till the end. First, open your TikTok app. Now tap on inbox icon that is on the bottom of your screen. There you will see the notification and messages. Tap on chat that is on the top that you have pinned. Now tap on 3 vertical dot that is on the top right corner of your screen. You will see pin on top option. Tap on it to turn the toggle bar off. Always remember that green toggle bar means on and gray toggle bar means off. So that is how you unpin a message in TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.